Here's how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Instant Replay not working. First, open your web browser and search for NVIDIA App download. Open the official NVIDIA website from the search results and make sure you have the latest NVIDIA app installed on your computer. If you're still using GeForce Experience, keep in mind that it's an older application that has been replaced by the newer NVIDIA app. Once you've installed the NVIDIA app, open it on your computer. From the left-hand side, click on Settings and make sure the NVIDIA Overlay option is enabled. Now, press Alt+Z on your keyboard to open the NVIDIA Overlay. From here, click on Instant Replay and make sure the feature is turned on. If it's already enabled, try turning it off and then enabling it again. This can sometimes resolve the problem. If Instant Replay is still not working, close the NVIDIA Overlay. Next, open the Start menu and search for Windows Security. Open Windows Security and select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you find Ransomware Protection, then click Manage Ransomware Protection. This security feature can sometimes interfere with Instant Replay, so temporarily turn it off. After disabling it, open the NVIDIA Overlay again and check whether Instant Replay is now working. If you've tried all of these methods and the problem still hasn't been fixed, open Settings on your computer from the Start menu. Select Apps from the left-hand menu and then click Installed Apps. Use the search box to look for NVIDIA. Find the NVIDIA app. Click the three-dot menu next to it and select Uninstall. Once the application has been removed, go back to the official NVIDIA website and download and install the latest version of the NVIDIA app. After reinstalling the application, open it and check Instant Replay again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.